Hello mystery plums, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video I'm gonna be reviewing this new products that I found on Amazon, and I'm gonna be reviewing it because I think it's very interesting. Now if you're into color by number or diamond painting, anything like this, you're gonna love this product. Now I really wanted to try this products because my 12-year-old daughter love diamond painting and color by numbers. She's always doing it, so I wanted to try it to see if it's something that you can do, like a fun way to have like family game out, time, lots of fun things to do. Now they are coasters, but I find that you can actually use them for like art as well. Now when I get the box, I open it, and first of all you're gonna have like different stone, and on all the stone they're gonna have like numbers with letters on them. That's how you're gonna find out which one goes where. And also they have like many a little bit of those little plastic Ziploc bag, or little tray, a pen that you need to pick your stone in, and you also have a little square of sticky silicone that you're gonna use for your pen to kind of pick up those stone as well. And they give you like a lot of different variety and color and shade of the stone. The only thing though, I wish guys they had put like enough of those little plastic bags in them, so you can just use the little plastic bag to kind of empty the little plastic that they have the stone coming in, so that way you don't have to go out of your way to find a plastic container or little plastic bag for those, because I believe they only give you like between 8 or 9 of the little plastic, which is, it's fine, but it's not a big deal if you kind of put like the amount of little packet of stone that you have, put just like the exact amount of the little plastic container. Now this is the one thing that kind of bothered me a little bit, because I had to go out of my way to try to find in those little plastic bags. But apart from that, the product itself is very nice, very simple, very easy to use. And you can see I chose the set that have the butterfly and birds on them, but they have like so many different shape and of like a different design that you can actually choose from. You don't have to choose the one that I have. They have like many different design that you can choose, but I wanted to do the butterfly and birds first. But you can see how beautiful they are, and I'm giving you a close-up right now. You can see on the coaster itself, you can see all the numbers of letters that you're gonna be using to see which stone colors goes there. And on top of the little coaster, this plastic that have like the design on it is very hard plastic, so it's very good quality. The only problem is they have like a plastic film on top of it, because the coaster itself is sticky, so you don't have to use glue to try to glue the little stone on them. And I'm showing you right now how to use the pen. You see the little square of the little sticky silicone. You just have to take it the pen and you stick it in there, and it will make like a little hole and pick up that little sticky silicone. So you can use this for quite a whole lot of coasters. It's gonna last you for a while. Now once you have that done, you have to find what numbers, what letters you're gonna need to be using for the specific coaster that you're gonna be doing. Now I believe each of them is between like 8 or 9 different colors or shade of colors that you're gonna be needing. So make sure that you have those already ready for you to use. Now like I was mentioned before, the only thing they have like a little plastic film on top of the design itself, because like I say, the coaster itself where the design is sticky, so you don't have to use any glue. It was really hard for me to remove that little plastic, because you have to be extremely careful when you're trying to pick it up, because I don't have nails. When you try to pick it up, you can literally just like rip the little plastic, the little paper design that's that's on the hard plastic. So that's one thing that you have to keep in mind. Now I went and find out what exactly the number of colors that I'm going to be using, and what letters I'm going to be using, and I put them on the little plastic bag that came with the product. Again, all 8 plastic containers, that the little plastic bag that came in it, I use all of them, so I didn't have any extra. So if you're gonna make all the other coasters at the same time, so you're gonna need to buy your own little plastic bags, because you're not gonna be using all of them, all of the stone in one coaster. So you're gonna have like remaining of stone that's left, so you cannot use that bag again for something else. So that's the one thing that kind of annoy me a little bit. But apart from that, I'm trying to pick it up. Or you can see I had to use like an X-Acto knife to kind of remove the little plastic film that's on top of it. But once I did that, guys, it's super easy to just pick them up and put the stone there. And it's very, very forgiving, because you can actually pick up the stone if you put it in the wrong letter. You can pick it up and stick it back in, and you just have to make sure that they stick. Now the only thing also I wanted to make sure, like I say, I mostly got this because I wanted to get it for my daughter, because she love doing those kind of projects. She's very, very artsy and love doing color by numbers and stuff like this. So I wanted if you have kids, sometimes you need a break from them, and you have to make sure give them something fun to do, and they actually love it. I had each one of them. I have 2 daughters, a 12-year-old and a 9-year-old. I have each one of them do one of the coasters by themselves to see how easy it is for kids to do, if it's family friendly, if you can buy it for like your kids to do with their friends. And it was super easy, and they've been bothering me to do the other ones and buy more the different designs. So it's a very, very nice product, and it's super easy to do. The whole thing, I did it probably in like 30 to 45 minutes, just because I kept stopping in between to go do other stuff. But it's super easy. Once you get a hang of it, it's like pick it up and put it down, pick it up and put it out. Really easy to do. And I love how the color pop, the stone in them. Now one thing I will say, once you're done doing them, if you want them to last, if you're gonna use them as a coaster, just like it is meant to be used, and seal them. You need to seal them, otherwise the stone might come off. So it's kind of annoying to take time to do all of this work, and some of the stone will be moving or coming off, and you're gonna lose them. It's kind of annoying. So I'll really highly recommend that you seal them. Use like a maybe like a Mod Podge, dishwasher safe Mod Podge. I will be using epoxy to seal mine, just because I use epoxy all the time, and I think it's the best sealer for me. But again, I'll show you after I use epoxy how it look like. But if you want to gonna be using them as like some art pieces, you can just seal them with like like a sealer, like like some kind of the silicone spray, and one of those like acrylic silicone spray. You can use them, or you can use Mod Podge on them also, because it will dry clear. But also the Mod Podge, if you not be careful about which one you get, you might kind of the shine of the stone. So it's something to take in consideration, depending on what you're going to be using them for. But I want to use them as a coaster, so I don't want the low stone to come out and get lost. So I'm just gonna go ahead and seal the thing. And also one thing that I want to say, if you're gonna use epoxy to seal them, like I'm gonna be doing, I highly suggest that you do not put the low cork backing first. Just finish your your painting your diamond painting, seal it, and then you can put the cork. I'm sure I knew when my 12-year-old and my 9-year-old was doing them. This is my 9-year-old. The one before that was my 12-year-old doing each one of them. They did their own stuff, and this is after I finished doing all of them. This one my 9-year-old do, and it's absolutely my favorite. I love the color of the bird pop out from that yellow greenish color. And this one I did again purple. I had to choose it, and my 12-year-old loved pink, so she had to pick the one that had the pink bird. Absolutely gorgeous. Love their design, and they have some very intricate design set on the website, and they have their products sell on Amazon. Again, guys, everything that I use, I'm gonna leave the link for their Amazon store directly in the description box below, so you can check them out, give them a try. They have like very intricate design that they have, but absolutely gorgeous. And you can see I'm just putting my epoxy on them right now, and all you have to do, guys, if you ever top coat anything with epoxy, just wait for the epoxy to kind of thicken a little bit, and then top coat it. That's it, and then let them cure overnight, and the next day you have some very beautiful coasters to use. Or again, if you're gonna be using for like wall decor or some kind of art piece, you don't have to use resin to seal them. You can just use like a spray or some Mod Podge, and just seal them either way, so that way your hard work will not go to waste. Because stone, the paper is sticky as well. It do stick quite well, but over time the stone might get loosened and come off, and it's kind of annoying. So this is after I just put my epoxy on them. I'm just gonna go ahead and cover them, and then in the next day I'm gonna be showing you what they look like. This is the next day, and guys, they look absolutely gorgeous. Look at this, the shine from the resin, and you have like a very nice smooth coat on top of it. And this is the back. I had to go and clean the back a little bit, and when I was cleaning the back, I lost one of the cork backing, because when I move it, the cork backing is very thin, so it ripped, so I had to completely remove it and put a new one. So that's why I said, if you're gonna be using that, make sure you do not put the backing first. Just use wait until you're completely done, and then put the backing, so that way you don't waste any of the backing. But they are absolutely gorgeous. Again, I'm going to be leaving their direct link for you from Amazon, for their Amazon store. You can give them a try, and I think the product is very cheap. I think it's less than $20. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's a very beautiful. So if you are into diamond painting, again, diamond color by number diamond painting, you want something fun to do with your kids, for your kids, with your kid, I highly suggest that you give them a try, guys. This is the review for this video. I hope you like them. I hope you like the product like I do, and my kids does. So if you do love them, give them a try. Click on the link below, and they'll bring you directly to their Amazon store, and you can see what they have, and you can try try their product as well. And also, the product do come with a like a metal rack after you've done all your diamonds, so that way your coaster do not get lost, which is a nice touch. And again, it's very easy to do. They have a video of how to do them, but it's very easy. It's like picking up and sticking. It's not that hard. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. I will really appreciate if you take the time to click the like button and the subscribe button as well. And if you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for being here. Again, I love you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next video, but until then, you know the drill. Be blessed and stay blessed. Bye, guys. I love you. Mwah.